You look at the State Department for Irrigation and Flood Control Works, the budget has actually been cut to zero. You look at Water Storage and Flood Control Services by State Department of Irrigation, it has been cut by about 18 million. That's 42% cut. State Department for Earth Soils and Regional Development, and this relates to bottom-up economic transformation agenda priorities and flood control KVDA. It has come down to zero.
Our partners have come through for us with the support of the floods emergency. I've said many times that since I took office, our partners have always held my hand in very difficult challenges when the president and the country looks upon me to lead from the front on the various interventions, and I remain forever indebted to this team.